Now can we open them now, Mommy, please?
I don't know. Maybe we should wait. Maybe 10 minutes?
No.
How many do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good job.
Can I open them now, Mommy?
Okay.
Now let's start. Can I use this one?
Okay. Whoa. Nice.
We got pizza.
Oh, so you got both of those?
Yes. We got heart.
Wow.
Okay, now can I open that one next?
Mm-hmm.
She's a mermaid. That's her name, Water Dye. And this is a Cutie. She's a mermaid. And she got a heart too.
Wow.
Oh. Upside down. Ah! Here we go. Sorry. It does pop all the way here. I don't know what we get, Mommy. We got her. Birthday Pondry?
Wow.
It's a popsicle.
Wow.
We got Apple Dog with her hat.
Cool.
But she's not a mermaid. She's not a mermaid.
Oh. Okay.
Well, she can hang out.
What is that?
A pie.
Oh.
That's so cute. Okay, look. Maybe. We got Pinkie Pie.
Ooh. Isn't she your favorite?
That's my favorite. And
What's that?
I don't know. A teapot?
Oh.
This is the last one.
Ooh, I wonder what's inside. What do you think is inside? So you want Twilight?
I hope we get her. Because that's your favorite you did.
Which one do you got?
Spike!
Ooh, he's so cute.
He's a baby.
What else is in there?
Hot dog.
Hot dog. You
Yeah.
love hot dogs.
Yes. Now this is all we got.
Cool. Do you like them? Which is your favorite?
Him.
What's his name?
Spike. And I like all of them.
You like all of them? What
Yes.
Spike's your favorite?
Yes, but he's so cute.
He is so cute and little.
But he's not big. So this is a pizza and Mommy, I think this is like a cracker or something.
I think that's an ice cream sandwich.
How do you know?
It looks like one, doesn't it?
And this is a popsicle. And this is a pie. And this is a teapot and a hot dog.
Good job.
And I don't know what's her name. Can you tell it?
The pizza?
No, her.
Her?
Yes. Remember her name, Dimmer.
Her name's Shimmer?
Yes.
I'm not sure what her name is. What's her name? What's her name?
water die.
And her?
Not her. Him.
Oh, it's a him. Oh, I'm sorry. What's his name?
Peter Pondry.
Oh, and her?
Applejack.
Okay, her?
Pinkie Pie.
And
Spike.
him? Oh, good job. So you just don't know her name.
I
You
don't
have
know.
to figure that out because I don't know her name either.
I think that's my favorite is this one.
Your favorite is Spike?
Yes, and the hot dog too.
You do like hot dogs.
Thank you, Spike. Nom 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 nom.
You're gonna eat his house? That's his house.
That's not a real house, Mommy.
It's his real house.
But he's hungry.
He's hungry?
He's-
But you ate his hot dog? You're so silly, Mia.
Thank you, Peter Pondry.
You gonna eat all of that? Which one do you wanna eat the most? The pie? Was it delicious?
Yes. Thank you, Pinkie Pie. Shh.
Oh, you drinking her tea?
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Thank you, White Guy.
Was that delicious?
Maybe I like this one. And I eat all the foods. I ate Spikes, and I ate Pinkie Pies, and I ate Apple Jacks, and I ate him, and I ate hers.
Are you gonna eat that one too?
I ate all up.
Are you full?
Yes.
You ate too much. Which one was your favorite?
I like a lot.
Oh, they were all tasty?
Yes.
Delicious.
I like Spike better.
But the food that you ate, which one was your favorite?
This one.
The hot dog?
Yes. I ate all Pinkie's. I ate Spike hot dog and Pinkie Pie's tea and Applejack pie and Peter Pondry pocket roll and the cookie and the pizza.
That sounds pretty yummy. It's a lot of food though.
Okay, this is all the today's video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.